Miss Maria Kandia politikala class masa khan Rajya Sabha kanena Rajya Sabha kan enzo tiania tuna hian Lok Sabha in kan tandon ani. Maximum strength of Lok Sabha is 552, which includes 2 nominated members of Anglo-Indian community, 530 members from states and 20 from union territories. Present strength of Lok Sabha is 545. India. Maximum strength, maximum seat omza chu 552 anya. Mase present strength chu 545 anya. Seat pasari aolani. Anglo-Indian community atangin member pani an nominata Lok Sabha hian. Rajya Sabha ero khachuan 12 members an nominata class masakha kanen le chuan Lok Sabha chuan 2 members. 530 state sang atangin member zanga somthum an nom theya. Union territory atangin som ni an nom bokani. Lok Sabha normal term to 5 years from the date of its first meeting after the general elections sa India. General elections ovele an meeting voi khadna tanga chiarin kumnga chung at mania. Rajya Sabha ero khachu an term kha kumruk ani. Heta hian zona thei chu enge Lok Sabha maximum strength 552, enge present strength 545. Anglo-Indian community tangin mi engzan nge nominate pani. State ta tangin Lok Sabha member engzan nge thei zanga somthum. Union territory tangin Lok Sabha member engzan nge thei somni. A normal term of Lok Sabha kum engzat nge kum nga khang te kha zona thei ta chuan ni. The President is authorized to dissolve Lok Sabha any time, even before the completion of 5 years sa India. Kung nga uncomplete laupon Presidentin at hunay na ina dissolve theya. Amaro chu hei hi adu huna ka dissolve done at ithilaw. Lok Sabha sorkar na chelai entirnan tu na chuan BJP ania. BJP hiyan. No confidence motion BJP laka pass ani chuan President Khan a dissolve ngai ani. Lok Sabha can be extended during national emergency by a law of parliament for on a year at a time for any length of time. Lok Sabha hi a extend theya national emergency line kum khat zel, kum khat dana, kum engzat po extend thei ani. This extension cannot go beyond a period of 6 months after the emergency has ceased to operate. Emergency, national emergency, hun lai azoto chuan tharuk theng ala extend theya chum hnu chuan extend tani to lawang henga hian zona thei chu. Is the President authorized to dissolve Lok Sabha any time? Yes. Lok Sabha can be extended. Can Lok Sabha be extended during national emergency? Yes. For duration of 1 year at a time, for any length of time, for a period of 6 months after the emergency has ceased to operate. Khang kha zona thei chuan ni. Hemizoa members of parliament chungchang kan enanga. Members of parliament te chu tu te nge an nin hrewe kanga kan MP te hi members of parliament an ni a Mizoram atang chuan puwanal ve na le pusilal rosanga te an ni a. Qualifications for a person to be chosen as member of parliament. Member of parliament MP ni tur chuan enge qualification ngai te pakhat na chuan must be a citizen of India khi chu nge foreigner kha MP ata na vathan thei ngot lo must not be less than 30 years of age in case of Rajya Sabha Rajya Sabha atan chuan kum somthum an tinangaya and not less than 25 years of age in Lok Sabha Rajya Sabha le Lok Sabha inang lawa MP ni tur chuan zona ronom thei chu an kum bithia khi ni Rajya Sabha atan kum somthum Lok Sabha atan kum somni panga khi chin chia kar ula a in an lo na khi zona ron kalin a confuse ve thei lu to ka chu wangin Rajya Sabha somthum Lok Sabha somni panga ti kharil ruwa vontlat turani Disqualification of MP Article 102 MP hi undisqualified theya engtin nge undisqualified the he should not hold any office of profit lo nei na dang anei ni chuan a disqualified theya he or she is of unsound mind MP a kan than tin to tereng kha tong thu chelawa ril rubai amo an lo ompal chuan MP an ni na atang khan li sak an ni anga he or she is declared by the court and stands so is this undischarged insolvent court ina undischarged insolvent anga declare chuan court in adin hetla chuan disqualified turani he or she is not a citizen of India khwale tui alo ni lo pal chuan under the following conditions a member of parliament vacates his seat number 1 a chuan double membership Rajya Sabha le Lok Sabha member alo ni pal chuan hi an ni ve chuan Rajya Sabha emo Lok Sabha member an du zok khan thanganga pakhat zok member an ni torani MP pakhat zok Rajya Sabha MP emo Lok Sabha MP disqualification le resignation and disqualify emo and resign pon seat an vacate thinani absence more than 60 days without permission entirnan kan MP han kan sarlo veter ngot se parlamenta inform nga a inform lawa ni somruk ai tam a absent chuan an disqualifying a seat kha a vacate turani if his election is declared void by the court thantlin na chungchanga tingto vek MP ni lai ni to kha an thantlin na chungchanga buaina om chuan a seat a vacate anga if he or she is expelled by the house Rajya Sabha amo MP Rajya Sabha MP amo Lok Sabha MP lo ni ta se a house omna Rajya Sabha amo Lok Sabha ina an expel chuan a seat a vacate ang if he or she is elected to the office of the president or vice president MP kha president amo vice president ta an thantin nuwa MP ani na kha a seat kha a vacate anga president amo vice president ani na kha a chel to ang if he or she is appointed as a governor of the state an MP will vacate his seat governor state governora an thantin chuan a MP ni na kha a vacate ang a seat kha Speaker of Lok Sabha Article 93 deals with Speaker of Lok Sabha Rajya Sabha chuan chairman oma Vice President is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha ti kanzir to a class masakhan mase Lok Sabha chuan speaker an thangani enge Speaker of Lok Sabha He or she is elected by Lok Sabha from amongst its members as soon as after the first meeting. First meeting an thut khom masak bera Lok Sabha thut khom masak bera khan an zinga an du ber kha vote mangin speaker atan Lok Sabha speaker atan an thlang don ani MP zinga mi te kha. Usually the speaker remains in his office during the life of the Lok Sabha. He or she vacates his office earlier in any of the following cases. Lok Sabha din chung chuan speaker kha ading ve thina amaro chu speaker ni na seat kha a vacate ve thei thawa kan en don ani enge a vacate na chan. If he or she ceases to be member of Lok Sabha member atanga pai thla kan in speaker ni na seat kha vacate nga langa. If she or she resigns by writing to the deputy speaker ne na a resignation letter kha thelut anga thin dona a thelut ani chuan a resign ani chuan a vacate ang speaker ni na seat kha ta hian zona om thei chu Lok Sabha speaker hi khoya tangin nge an thantlin amongst its members te chu tu tange Lok Sabha MP te engtin nge a vacate member of Lok Sabha ani to lo le she or he resigns by writing to deputy speaker ne na ban na thelu pon a seat a vacate anga speaker hian tu ne na nge ban na thelu thin deputy speaker ne na. If he or she is removed by a resolution passed by majority of all the members of Lok Sabha, member of Lok Sabha MP 10 remove tura speaker a resolution an thelu chuan a seat kha a chwa san tura nia. Such a resolution can be moved after giving 14 days advance notice pek ve ngai ni speaker kha ni som pali chung notice an pek nuwa a seat a vacate ang a notice an pek nuwa a chwa san du lo mo a chwa san du na dan kha siam thata ni chuan a vacate lawanga amaro chu a nuwa a vacate ni som pali nuwa khian a boina om lo chuan a vacate ang. Whenever the Lok Sabha is dissolved, the speaker does not vacate his office and continues till the newly elected Lok Sabha meets. Hey hi apoi mo lutuka speaker thar Lok Sabha ina an in hu khom le thar sarkar tharina an in hu khom le masak bera speaker thar an than ma khachu Lok Sabha kha dissolve ni ma se speaker hi chu a office a vacate lawang ti ania hi khichang takin siat tur ani zona lo chhapon. The speaker does not vacate his office when Lok Sabha is dissolved ti kha thiat ring tur ani. Role, powers and functions of speaker. He is the principal spokesman of the house. Speaker chu enge MLA apo kan assembly apo speaker o mga budget session te in thin chuan speaker ina ati thin kha chu in sheve kanga principal spokesman of the house an nia. He maintains order and decorum in the house. MP pahni in kara abuai na lo chhuak ta se lo in hnya le mo khatiang khalo om ta se. He maintains order and decorum in the house. He adjourns the house to suspend the meeting in the absence of quorum. Adjourns hitito panya quorum ki enge presence of 1/10 of the total strength of the house. Mun so ma thena mun khattal an present lo chuan meeting an nei ngai lawa hetiang huna hian mun sawm atanga mun khat an lo huna hian speaker in tuna chuan in claim ma member present sp hun in hu khom nei thei lawang ti in a John thina ni house kha ati top thina ni. He does not vote in the first instance. Entinan bill te lo pass don ta se lo vote ta se ama avoi khatna vote thak ve ngai lo hi pok hi zo na ron thei ania. The speaker does not vote in the first instance, but it can exercise a casting vote in case of a tie. Bracket deadlock tie om chuan entinan adu lo pol bill khalo pass don ta se an vote an thak anga MPG nga khan adu lo pol le adu pol ten an vote don ani khami vote an thaka khan adu lo pol le adu pol khalo in ang chia ta se speaker khi adu zok thang turin vote an thak tir ve ang. He presides over a joint sitting of the two houses of the parliament. Parlamenta Lok Sabha le Rajya Sabha joint sitting an nei huna speaker khian Lok Sabha speaker khian a preside anga Rajya Sabha chairman nilawin Lok Sabha speaker in. He can allow a secret sitting of the house. Secret sitting of the house aruka sitting nei po phal ama thuwa phal sakaniang. He certifies a bill as money bill. Who certifies a bill as money bill? The speaker. Who can allow a secret sitting of the house? The speaker. Who presides over a joint sitting of the two houses of the parliament? Speaker. He appoints chairman of the parliament of all the parliamentary committees of Lok Sabha. Parliamentary committee, Lok Sabha parliamentary committee zong chairman appoint to kha speaker ani bokani. Deputy speaker tunge deputy speaker chairman I ought to. While the office of the speaker is vacant due to any reason, the deputy speaker presides. Speaker kha damno na wanga mo thil dang tu na wanga mo India rampo na zin ne mo ani chuan Lok Sabha preside tu aniang Mr. Anantha Sayanam Iyengar was the first deputy speaker of Lok Sabha. First deputy speaker of Lok Sabha khi aron chwa ve thina wangin himi ming khi karon telania chiang dawin lo en ula notebua po injak thadonia. Mr. Anantha Sayanam Iyengar ani first deputy speaker of Lok Sabha chu. Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Speaker of Lok Sabha kan inzowa Chairman of Rajya Sabha hei chu plasma sa po khan ka soito ani tunge Chairman of Rajya Sabha tur chu. The Vice President is the ex officio Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Article 89. Vice President he ex officio Chairman of Rajya Sabha ania. Vice President ta an than Tlinrwal Khan Rajya Sabha Chairman ani ngal ani sople chilin a than pa in Rajya Sabha Chairman an thang to ngai lo. As a presiding officer, the powers and functions of the Chairman of Rajya Sabha are similar to those of the Speaker of Lok Sabha. Heta hian he maintains decorum in the house. Ti te khatiang zong kha in ang ma che an power le function Chairman of Rajya Sabha le Lok Sabha Speaker hian in an lo na pakhat ania chu enge kan ti chuan Lok Sabha Speaker kha chuan he decides whether a bill is a money bill kha chairman of Rajya Sabha in khamai power kha nei velo bill hi poisa bill ani nge ni lo decide tu chu Lok Sabha speaker chau chairman of Rajya Sabha hi ani velo ani deputy chairman elected by Rajya Sabha itself from amongst its members. Deputy chairman is not subordinate to the chairman. He is directly responsible to the Rajya Sabha. Ki khichu hanchiarula inshethiam me yanga explain tamangai lawa an next ta kan kalang. Next to joint session of the Parliament India Parliamentarian in Mukhom Rajya Sabha le Lok Sabha in Mukhom an nei ve thina engtika nge joint session an nei thin kan enang joint sessions take place on the order of the president if India president in order chwa joint session nei turati chuan joint session an nei thina engtika nge an nei a bill passed by one house is rejected by another. Bill house pakhatinan pass to house dangina an lo reject khan joint session an nei thina ni. When does the parliament have joint session? When a bill is passed by one house and rejected by another. Point number 2 the amendments made by the other house are not acceptable to the house where the bill originated. A bill originate na house khan bill khava pass se house dang khan lo siam tha se a bill originate na house khan an siam that kha lo pom lo se joint session an nei thina ni. The joint session of the parliament is presided by the speaker of the Lok Sabha. The deadlock over a bill is resolved by majority of total numbers of the members of both the house present and voting. Bill pakhatlaka innung rual na omta se joint session an kawanga joint session khan an vote le don ani total nge vote don majority of the total numbers of the members of both the houses majority of the total numbers of members of both the houses present and voting ai intia takhian MP tam theyang beran present torania majority in chuan vote an thak bok torani khami bill laka khan provision of joint sitting is applicable to ordinary bills or financial bills and not to money bills or constitutional amendment bills khi chiang de wo char torania joint sitting hi engtin nge an nei thei eng financial bill le ordinary bill deadlock om chuan joint sitting an neyang ma se poisa bill budget money bill amo constitutional amendment bill joint sitting an nei ngai lawani joint sitting is applicable is held only for ordinary bills and financial bills not to money bills or constitutional amendment bills. Ki sessions of the parliament ki session of the assembly ne na in ang renga session pakhat na chu budget session ania budget session like hi engting nge February to May the longest session which is the longest session of the parliament budget session engtika nge February atanga May monsoon session engting nge monsoon session assembly le parliament engtika nge monsoon session an thut khom leang July ya winter session ki July to September monsoon session khi nia September he kalau soi maya monsoon session is July to September. Winter session November to December. Enge shortest session winter session, longest session budget session, shortest session winter session November to December. Difference between powers of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha le Rajya Sabha hian power in ang lawan nei ve a enge chung te chu kan en don ani a pakhat na chuan a money bill can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha. Poisa bill hi Lok Sabha chau a introduce theya Rajya Sabha a introduce ve thei lawani. Zona, can a money bill be introduced in both the houses of the parliament? No. Money bill can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha. The final power to decide whether a particular bill is a money bill or not is vested in the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Kihikichu kan soi to a Rajya Sabha Chairman nilawin Lok Sabha Speakerin. Bill hi poisa bill ni nge nilaw a decide tang. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha presides over the joint meeting of both the houses of the parliament. Hipo kinisinakan soy zautia. Who presides over the joint meeting of both the houses of the parliament? Speaker of Lok Sabha. A resolution of the discontinuance of national emergency can be passed only by the Lok Sabha. Hipoki national emergency can continue don nge don lo emergency la nge lo decide to Lok Sabha ni Rajya Sabha ni lawin. The Rajya Sabha cannot remove the Council of Ministers by passing a no confidence motion in India. Council of Ministers le no confidence motion to Lok Sabha chau an pasang. Only the Lok Sabha can pass a no confidence motion, not the Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha has been given two exclusive or special powers that are not enjoyed by Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha hian power pahni Lok Sabha in enjoy velo anei thunga. Lok Sabha Rajya Sabha hian Lok Sabha enjoy velo power pahni anei thunga. Chung te chu Rajya Sabha can authorize the parliament to make law on a subject enumerated in the state list. State list, union list, le concurrent list ha class masa kan endai to a. Kha nga state list sa chuang kha. Rajya Sabha can only authorize the parliament, not Lok Sabha, to make a law on a subject enumerated in the state list of India. Lok Sabha in hemi power hi an nei velo ani. Rajya Sabha can authorize the parliament to create new all India services common for both the center and the states. All India services to IAS, IPS, IFS, Foreign Service nilon Forest Service, IAS Indian Administrative Service le, IPS Indian Police Service le, IFS Indian Forest Service hi post thar le service thar All India Service thar create don chuan Rajya Sabha chawin parliament an authorize the ani Lok Sabha ni lawin Lok Sabha in power pathuman nationa pakhat chu speaker in a presai tanga joint sitting money bill kha bill ninge ni lo kha Lok Sabha chowin an decide thei boka Rajya Sabha ero chuan state lisa law kha an siam theya Rajya Sabha chuan All India News Service an create thei bok ani